Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, if you didn't check out the last video, Davis won the parrot giveaway. So now we both have parrots because I also got a parrot. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing who can get better offers for our parrot. Davis will just tell us what offers he's going to do. And we are in a rich, are supposed to be in a rich server. So let's head to the cave.
Yeah, okay. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, guys.
Yeah, listen to him. Like and subscribe.
Okay, I'm going.
Wait, why is there someone here? This isn't where you're supposed to be trading, man.
Well, I hate how you don't, glide above water.
Do.
I'm going. Okay, let's see what offers we get.
Okay, Davis is already in there. The server seems pretty good by looking at his screen. Whoa!
Okay,
okay, this is good. This is very good.
Okay. Oh, a neon fly-ride ninja monkey for it. I'm gonna say no, thank you. Sorry.
Bro, there's a frost dragon. If I could get this frost dragon, I would go insane.
Okay, so my first offer was a neon fly-ride ninja monkey. Not the best.
I haven't got any trades yet.
I'm gonna say trading.
Me too.
Trading parrot. And then I'm gonna copy and paste it.
Alright, trading fly ride parrot. Oh wait, I'm gonna do it in all caps.
That's what I do. It gets more attention.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a girl right by me. What's your DP? Oh, I got a trade. Okay, guys, I got a trade. Put the parrot in. Ooh, a fly ride Arctic reindeer and a neon dog. I'm gonna go ahead and say, I'm gonna say no.
Okay, let's copy it.
Yeah, that wasn't the best offer.
Bro, I haven't gotten any offers yet.
I got another trade. Okay, a mega fly ride unicorn and a ride shrew. Ooh, that's a nice offer,
And
man. And a neon poodle. Guys, if you didn't know, I have a toy poodle in real life.
Yeah, he does.
So I really like. Oh my gosh. Okay, a mega fly ride unicorn, a ride shrew, a neon poodle, a ride yeti, a ride alicorn, a ride follow deer, a follow deer.
Finally, I got a trade.
Okay, I want to say yes to this, but and
An Arctic reindeer and neon dog.
that's the trade I got.
Yeah,
no. I would probably accept this, but I'm not gonna just because it's a video.
Well, you can trade it in the video, but
I just want
wouldn't.
really good.
Bro, there's a neon. Give me that, boys.
There. Vince, you would get that.
Maybe. I sent him a trade. I'm gonna put in all my pets.
Ooh.
Bro, this is actually a good offer. If I could get this, this would be like my dream. Please. Guys, I'm raging.
Wait, I got a trade from Big Paul earlier.
There's a neat neon parrot, bro. If I want this parrot. I want this neon parrot.
Look,
I want this neon
I'm
parrot.
gonna spam. Trading fly ride parrot. Trading fly ride parrot.
Nice, man.
I'm trading fly ride parrot, guys. I'm trading this.
Please, give me this neon parrot. I want it.
There's a ride potion. Oh, I got a trade.
There's that?
I got a
I got Zoe. It was no.
I got a trade from Jake Paul. Trading mega.
A mega. Oh, that's okay. A mega unicorn. A ride shrew.
I got this trade.
A neon poodle. Okay, Dave's got this trade. Oh, and
my offer is a little over. Ooh,
okay. Davis.
Ooh, okay. They said my offer is a little over.
Okay, let's see their offer.
A fly ride albino monkey, I have that. A kitsune, I have that. A turtle, I have that. I don't have an Arctic fox. I don't have a neon. A mega fly ride monkey. Ooh. And a mega fly ride fennec fox. I'm gonna say no to this.
Guys, if you didn't know, Davis loves monkeys.
Yes, monkeys are king.
So if you have a mega monkey, he'll probably want to offer.
I'm saying you're under. They're not
I'm just gonna spam trading
Look,
fly
I'm
red
gonna show
parrot
him
in
that I
chat.
have these pets.
Wee.
I'm gonna show him that I have these pets.
Someone has a neon owl. I
Hey,
want
where'd my
it like
kitten go?
badly. This guy has neon parrot.
Dude, this
I
kid
want
said
it.
look it up, bud. But the adopt me trading values on Google aren't like good to do for scams.
Yeah, they're not always correct, but they can be close.
I just declined his trade. He was under, and I had like 4 of them.
Oh, a neon fly red toonie. Wait, okay, bro. Basically a mega king bee, a neon husky, a mega Halloween black mummy cat, a mega snowman, a mega bullfrog. Bro, this is like the best offer I've gotten today. I'm gonna say no.
Yeah, I mean it was.
I don't really want to trade my parrot.
Yeah, I like the
But anyone who tries to offer, thank you for trying. But
if you see this video and want to offer for any of our parrots, just comment down below.
or like any of our pets,
But guys,
honestly.
you can't send us a link.
Yeah, no
Anywhere.
sending us like links to your profiles. Just like friend us so we can be able to get to you easier.
Like,
Jake Paul 101.
oh wait, he offers good. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, let's see. Banana berry. There's a banana.
Oh, it's this kid.
Goodbye, sir. I don't want your
I
offer.
don't like that guy. Oh wait, this guy came up to me and he has a neon.
Bro, I want to offer for that. I'm gonna offer for it.
No, I am. Oh, he's already in a trade.
Bro, when
Frost dragon. I want that.
Bro, someone's doing a flamingo to.
Someone has a mega frost dragon. Vince, mega frost dragon. You're not gonna get it, Vince. I hope you knew that.
Yeah, well, Jake Paul 101. I don't want it. Boy.
Dude, Jake Paul 101 just has
Bad start equal. Most people just say bad start equal decline. Like, you don't have to say that. You can just decline. Like, we don't care.
Vince is expressing his feelings today.
Guys, so I was in a server and this guy was like mean as heck. He was so toxic. So, he named his pet, I don't care about dream pets. Me be walking up to him.
Oh, wait, I got it.
This is my dream pet. He's like, man, I don't freaking care.
Wait,
It was pretty mean.
fly ride flamingo for my parrot. Of course I'll do that.
No.
Okay.
He's doing, I think that's the person who's doing the flamingo to parrot challenge.
Wait. What?
Question mark?
Oh, and a
Bubba.
ride alicorn. A fly ride. Oh, I have.
He already has a fly red king queen bee.
I have
So I
that.
think
Do I have a snow owl? I don't. I kind of want one.
at the moment he doesn't.
But I'm gonna get
Whoa.
one someday.
Whoa.
I'm gonna say. Trading fly ride pet. Oh, Jake Paul.
Orangutan.
I don't care about. I don't want to say this. I don't care about Jake Paul.
I don't care about the guy in the game named Jake
Yeah.
Paul, but I do care about like.
Okay, a neon fly red dragon, a neon fly red uni, a black Springer spaniel, another.
Dude, I'm riding on my parrot. Doo doo doo.
Yeah, I'm gonna say no to that. So sorry.
If you guys want to be in a video, just subscribe and comment down your username.
Yeah,
and
and if you want to offer,
if you want to offer for like any pets, no links at all. If there's a link, we will not do it.
just
so
because of like cookie log.
just
stuff.
because of sometime today, I almost got hacked by a link.
Yeah.
So I don't really like links. So just comment down your username, or
Is this
just like,
Logan? It's Jake. Did you?
bro, this
Did
offer.
I?
Dude, look at this offer. I'm not doing it, but that's a pretty good offer. I'm not gonna lie. Most people just rely on like value lists when they're mostly just scams, so you can get scammed off your pets. Not gonna lie, like,
I like parrots. They're actually one of the coolest pets in the game.
yeah.
I'm gonna say
there's so many. How does he have a Mega Frost Dragon? I kind of want it, but I'm not gonna get it.
It's okay, but I'm honestly still sorry. Oh, they probably got scammed.
I'm gonna wait.
Wait, she got scammed. I'm gonna give her a pet. She got scammed.
I'm gonna give her a pet too. I'm just gonna give her a ladybug. I know.
Just to show it.
Wait, I'm gonna say. She declined.
Bruh!
Bruh.
She doesn't want a ladybug. Building houses for any pet. I already have a house.
Wait, I want
Wait.
that.
What if I just works on it?
Wait. Who's building the houses?
Someone said I'm not rich, dude. I feel bad. I'm not flexing. I'm saying if you want to offer.
I just might get a Frost Dragon right now. Guys, I might get a Frost Dragon. I want one bad.
For me?
I know I already have a Frost Dragon. That doesn't mean I can't have more.
You're a little under, so I wouldn't be surprised.
Wait a second. Wait, if he accepts, I might do it.
Is this a troll?
Is this a troll? Question mark.
Is this a troll? I was monkey. I will offer.
Well, now I'm a monkey. Wait, let's see. Will he accept?
Wait, is it a troll?
Is he gonna accept,
Is it a
or is
troll?
this a troll? Is this a troll? Question mark.
Is this a troll?
Is this a troll?
Is this a troll?
Oh, it's not a troll.
Accept.
I'm not gonna do it, guys.
Oh, Vince.
Guys, I'm not gonna do it.
You are way under. You could just go TJ dog. Where are they?
Davis, if you want the Frost Dragon so bad, why don't you go offer it for it yourself?
Wait, where is it?
They're over there.
Okay, let me. This guy?
No,
This guy.
that guy.
What's up, my boy?
You have to do some good pets.
I'll do all my pets, sir. We know, because I don't want a fun thing.
Nice.
Alright.
I'm just gonna copy and paste the thing again. Trading Twilight Parrot.
Alright. Fruit Loops isn't getting any more video offers, so I think that's gonna be the end of the video.
Wait, if I could, I'm just gonna get like one more. I can't click the. I don't want to undo typing.
Wait, this person has a frost. I actually kind of want to offer.
Guys, I think I broke my keyboard.
Okay, let's just end the video now.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna end the video now. So like and subscribe, and
See ya.
goodbye.